Hello, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of today's update. I haven't come up with a name yet, but just know this is the second part, and we have still much more to discuss. If you haven't checked out the first part, go to the previous video. We have our business counselor, TJ, who is also the COO of the Forex Helper. And we were talking about how the dollar right now is struggling, and we're not the type of people that will trade carelessly on our members' accounts. All right. There's a time to trade and there's a time to wait. And right now, today is definitely a time to wait. As we see the markets go crazy, we just got through talking about the US dollar and how it's struggling and the stimulus package. But then TJ, our business counselor, mentioned the vaccine. And I just want you to elaborate on that some more. I know they passed the vaccine into the bill. I mean, what is your take on how the vaccine and the economy are kind of tied into what's going on? What's your insight on that, sir?
This is my opinion based on the vaccine. This is the reason why they squeeze that into that new bill that should be signed or should be agreed upon by the senator and the Congress. It definitely has a lot of tie with the economy, also with the market. Because what they're trying to do now, okay, they try to pay for the funds. And the vaccine, we don't know any effects of it, any after effects, anything like that. But we do know it has a lot of definition to it when it comes to where it can affect the market, whether it's a good way or a bad way. So now, as they come from where they try to push it all over in the United States or from another country, however, my take with the vaccine, I don't think I can say we have to wait and see. Because they just started. If I make a prediction or say something on it, make a quick opinion on it, I'd be wrong because we just got the vaccine not too long ago.
Right.
Whether they already had it a long time ago, we don't know that, but we do know this is what's going on right now. This is why the market is talking. This is why, all this is happening. So I say we wait till we see, give it like a couple of months, and it's going to show us a lot. It's going to tell us a lot within the economy as well.
That's very wise of you to say. You know, it's definitely too early to even form an official opinion, like you said. I'm looking at a report and it says a new COVID-19 strain sent stocks tumbling, but here's why investors shouldn't panic. Here's another, there's basically a lot of these headlines that I'm looking at regarding the vaccine and the stocks today definitely caused the stock market to go, a bit haywire. I mean, the indices market definitely took a tumble today. And like our business counselor said, it is definitely too early. I think one of the key words that's coming out in my mind right now is the word uncertainty. Whenever there's uncertainty, people tend to either panic or,
Right.
It's just not clear. You don't know what your future holds. So you get what I'm saying?
Right.
So moving forward, let's see here. Let's go to the next part of the report, the commodities report. Some very interesting things on the commodities. We're at 58% on the MAS score. We are seeing some very interesting movements in gold and silver. We will say that. I don't want to give too much information on that since this is a public update, but those members that have access to our daily financial market report, check out the report. Specifically, look at the current market value of silver and look at the current market value of silver versus the euro. I'm going to move forward to the cryptocurrency now. We're at 50% MAS score. The cryptocurrency market definitely took a hit today. We saw the cryptocurrency market doing very well last week at 83%, 100%, another 83%, as we saw Bitcoin go past $20,000. Now we're seeing a bit of some stress, extreme stress with the Bitcoin as well as Bitcoin Cash. And we can look at the other cryptocurrencies. If you look at the report, you'll be able to see a lot of extreme stress, extreme stress, extreme stress. Now, the last part of the report, we're at the end of the report now, guys, and we're here at the indices. Now, I made a comment in the first video when I was doing the research. I got to the bottom of the report and I started working on the indices market. The indices market is basically all of the stock markets around the world. And what I noticed now, as you can see, the MAS score for the indices is 20%. In other words, there's a serious storm taking place. Now, we had a storm take place on the 10th and on the 11th. Then it continued into last Monday and Tuesday. Then it kind of picked up a little bit, and we seen a real nice, healthy movement on Thursday. Then we saw some storm on Friday. Now we started this Monday off really, really volatile. In other words, we got a lot of these markets around the world that are starting to, it looks like, according to our research, these markets around the world are starting to take a dive. Now, with that being said, what does it mean? Could there be a rebound? Of course there could be a rebound. Ultimately, what does it mean? Like business counselor TJ said, with certain things, it could be a little too early to really say what it means. We have to continue to watch. But I'm very curious as to what this all means. And here's why I say this. On the last part of this report, there's something here called the VIX. It's also known as the volatility index. Now, the volatility index, the current market value of the volatility index, which is the long-term view of how volatile the market is going to be, it hasn't really been high. It's been at a sell. So it hasn't really been that volatile. Today, for the first time in so long, in many weeks, today the volatility index, both the current market value, the long-term outlook, and the current market movement, the short-term outlook, both of them have turned to the upside, meaning that we're expecting to see some extreme volatility ready to take place in the world's financial markets around the world. I do want to say one more thing. I'm going to get off the mic and I'm going to give this over to you, business counselor TJ, and I want you to share your opinion on this article. And if you can definitely close us out after you share your opinion with the article by letting the listeners know about any of the services that we provide. The article basically is, it says the millions could face unemployment aid delays even after the COVID-19 relief package. This was from USA Today. I'm off the mic, sir.
That's deep. To know that it's still even, I mean, first of all, this is my opinion, the little package deal that they got going for Americans, even for unemployment, is not enough. I mean, unemployment, you get $300. Come on, that's not enough. And then a loan, $600, that's not enough. That's bad. The employment rate is going up. More people are losing their jobs. That is bad. After coronavirus package deal, so basically what it's telling me, hey, we got to do another package. That's basically that's what's going to have to happen. We want to feed our economy. We want our economy to get better. They say, hey, the economy is getting better. We okay. It's all right. This is why we're going to put a little $600 a year. No, it's not. The numbers say otherwise. The number doesn't lie. I don't care what the government say or what they do put out there. Say, hey, we all right. People getting jobs. Yes, some people are getting jobs back. But the number still shows the people are losing their home. The evictions numbers are going up. Everything is going up. Everything is going up. That's not good. So hopefully, when the next president comes in, hopefully the Congress all can come together and bring us a healthy package for the Americans. And people from all over. Now, I want to say this. People, we're here. We're here to help one another. If you're going through something, if you come to our program, I know I'm a business counselor and I'm a COO. I have no problem talking to you. Because we all need someone to talk to, especially during these tough times. Because times are tough. I don't care who you are. Time is definitely tough. Now, I want you to tell you all about our services that we do provide. We have our 7-day trial. In the 7-day trial, we give you everything that you need to know within that 7-day period. The 7 days. The day that you enroll, that's the day that your 7-day due starts. You get free signals. You get updates on daily report on the financial market. You get that. You get everything that you need to get. If that's not enough, Gabriel have an ebook for those that are in the beginning stage. Or for those who want to know why is Gabriel's strategy so good. Everything is written on the book. These are things that you need to know anyway. If you try to do your own trade or you want us to do your trade, I would recommend you go online on our site, purchase the ebook. We also have signals, discount, and regular. To be qualified for the discount, you have to be one of our brokers. Same go for account management. The account management do the trade for you. And I want to emphasize on this one. When we say we do trade for you, that means please do not touch the trades. Let us do the trade for you, because if you put something in there that you're not supposed to do and you double dip in the higher, you will cause your whole account to collapse. Trust us with trades. This is what y'all pay us monthly fees for. We also have one-on-one mentorship. One-on-one with Gabriel for those who want to take it to a different level, want to be on the expert level. Gabriel will teach you that. We do have a price for that. Look on the website. To build your business online, we also have that too. So please, I know a lot of Forex out there y'all don't trust. Use the opportunity. Let's build a trust so we can help you build your financial goals up so you can be happy. Regardless of what's going on in the market, regardless of what's going on in the world, it's going to be fine. Don't panic. Trust. Be patient, especially during the storm, and we got you guys back. If you have any information you're ready to go down on the bottom of the page. Please go to my contact. You can click on there when you are ready. We thank you for listening to us, and we're looking forward to talking to you guys again. Thank you.